everyone, this is Gina from Orchid and Opal, and today I have another haul to share with you, and I'm really excited about it. It's from dollarbeadbox.com, and so many awesome beaders have shared the subscription that they have on their YouTube channels and do a lot of hauls and unboxing. They send out awesome boxes of beads and findings every month. So I actually just signed up for their subscription service as well, and waiting for my second box to arrive hopefully in a couple days. But anyway, they also have a store, and I have been eyeing a couple things lately, and they are something I'm really excited about. So I'm just going to get right to it. There is a whole load of beads here that I'm about to plop down. Yes. What you're looking at is 100 strands, 100 of the 4mm Czech Fire-Polished beads. And as anyone knows who has shopped on dollarbeadbox.com, or if you know about it, most of their items actually sell for $1 a piece. So that's one of the nice perks of having the membership, is that if you sign up for their monthly subscription, then you can also shop at their store and purchase a lot of the items for $1. So ordinarily, any of these strands would be $1. So as I said, I have 100 strands sitting here, all different colors, and they have a special deal in their special deal section where you can get 100 strands for $59. So basically that makes each of these strands 59 cents. Isn't that great? So I thought that was such a good deal, and because I just started beading again quite a bit and I need to bulk up my stash, I thought it was awesome. I was like, this is a great way to really just bulk up what I have. I mean, at 59 cents a strand, now I feel like I have just about every color. Obviously not every finish and every color, but I have color options to choose from when I'm trying to work on a project. So I just wanted to show you that this is what you get if you have been looking at dollarbeadbox.com and had seen that special deal section where they have the 100 strands for $59. And so yeah, this is what it looks like. And so not only do they have the 4mm strands, they also have 3mm strands. And yes, I did that deal as well. So I got 100 strands of 3mm fire-polished beads for $59. Again, making each of these strands just 59 cents, which is a great deal, especially when you're trying to bulk up your stash with many different colors. I mean, there's not, I hadn't seen any other way to really do that easily as cost effectively. So knowing that I had a good experience on my first try with Dollar Bead Box, the subscription, and I had placed an order with them before and everything went really well, I was like, you know what, I'm just going to go for it. Just going to go for it. So I did. I'm glad I did. I do want to just mention that you don't have any control over what colors or what finishes you get, so it's going to be random, but as long as you're okay with that going in, then you should probably you'll be happy with the results, I think, of what they do ship you. The only negative I want to mention, and it's not really a negative, but I guess I just didn't expect it, was that you will get duplicates. So I was thinking that I would get 100 all different strands, like every strand would be different. Well, they did send me a lot of duplicate strands. In fact, most of them, there's actually like 2 of the same. So, I mean, again, it's not really a bad thing, because if you're trying to do a project, a lot of times, I mean, especially like a necklace or something that has more than one strand, you're going to want multiple strands of the same thing. So, I mean, like this one, for example, beautiful. I mean, I love these beads. They're gorgeous. But you can see here that out of the 100 strands that I ordered, that I was sent 3. So, I mean, I'm completely happy with the selection that I was given. I mean, I do have a lot of different colors to choose from and a lot of different finishes to choose from. But just keep in mind that you're going to get some duplicates. So as long as you're all right with that going in, then again, I think you'd be happy with it. But they're just great quality beads. I actually got in also while they were doing a deal with free shipping if you spend $50 or more. Look at that sparkle. So normally I think shipping is around like $4.50 domestic for US. But I was able to get free shipping. They had sent out a coupon code if you get their emails. It was a couple weeks ago, I think they sent it out. So I'm not sure what other specials they run. I've heard that occasionally they do send coupon codes and whatnot. So good to sign up for their emails. And yeah, I mean, I'm just totally, like, I was so excited when these came in. I was really just like, you know, kind of stalking my mailbox and just could not wait. I was like, oh my gosh, these are going to be so great to play with. Look at this. I love this finish. I think that's the travertine finish. But I mean, that's what's so nice about it, is like it's a surprise, but I knew that I would love, you know, getting any of these colors and finishes, and now I have a great variety all in one go. So I mean, for $59, I just really feel like that's just an awesome deal. Really happy with it. Really happy with it. So, yeah, I mean, if you're interested in trying them out and you kind of wondered, maybe you saw this on their website and you're like, is that really going to be what I think it is? I mean, hopefully this kind of helps you, shows you what it looks like. You know, if you were to order 100 strands for $59, you know, what you might get. And you can see that they do include all types of finishes, so not just like matte or not just AB. You know, you'll even get some metallics. You know, there's all different types of strands that you're gonna get if you order this. So it's gonna be lots of fun to play with. And those were the 4mm, and then of course we have the 3mm, and same deal with those. I did receive some different colors in the 4mm and the 3mm, where what I'm trying to say is they weren't all the same. So like I didn't get the same colors in the 4mm as I got in the 3mm, which again is totally fine. I am happy with that. I cannot wait to make lots and lots of beautiful things with all these awesome colors. I love that color. Wow. So again, you know, you get some multiple strands, but you'll receive all different finishes and colors and lots of great things to play with. So definitely check out the special deal section at dollarbeadbox.com. Never know what you'll find, but those 259 strand groupings have been in there past couple months that I had seen. So check them out. And check out their subscription too. I'll be getting my next box, like I mentioned, on Friday. And the box, they have a box subscription, which I believe is about around $18 or $19, depending on how long you sign up for. And then they have a dollar bead bag subscription, where you get 4 3mm and 4 4mm Czech Fire-Polished beads for $8 a month, which is great. So I'm signed up for both of those and cannot wait to get my subscription on Friday. I have seen some sneak peeks from some of my favorite YouTubers, and it looks like it's going to be another good month. So it's always fun to see what they send and to kind of play with new materials, see what you can put together. It just really sparks creativity in me to kind of get some random materials, and it's kind of like a puzzle or a challenge to see what can be done with them. So it's always lots of fun. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to do a review sometime after I receive them on Friday, and can't wait to post that. And here's another little shuffle around of these beads, and now I feel like I definitely have an abundance. So alright, well, thanks again for watching and supporting me, and please like and subscribe. Follow me on all the different avenues that I have: Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and check out my Etsy shop. Love to have you. Thanks again. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. I would also love for you to follow me on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Etsy. Orchid and Opal Jewelry. Thanks for watching.